Okay. So I'll be giving one cue card each. You can see a few cue cards in front of you. You can select any one when you have to speak so that that 1 minute I give to prepare is not wasted. Okay. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
may I speak on 41?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can select any. Okay. Whichever you want. And the first person to speak will be Amrinder Singh. Are you there, Amrinder? Ankita Patel, are you there? Anandita?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, which one would you like to speak on from the ones you can see here?
Ma'am, I would like to speak on number 33.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Would you like to begin?
41 for me, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, and you know the person who is speaking, all the others are examiners. Listen intently. Note down any mistake that you feel that the student has done. Okay? Because if you are able to catch the mistakes of others, you are able to catch the mistakes of your own. Okay? And you will definitely improve. So please don't think that when your turn will come, only then your speaking is going to happen. This is a combined class and this is going to help all of you. Okay? So Anindita, will you begin? And I'll advise everybody else to keep themselves muted. Okay? Please mute yourself. Yes, Anindita, you'll start.
Okay, ma'am. So I would like to describe an occasion when I ate a kind of food for the very first time. So at the very beginning, I can say that in my country, there are so many occasions where I have to participate, and I ate I ate many kinds of food for the very first time. And one of the most important occasions in my country is Pohila Boishak, where I have eaten food which is named as Panta Bhat for the very first time in my life. Now I am going to describe that occasion where I ate a kind of food for the very first time. So that occasion is all about our it holds our tradition, and in that occasion I have seen that so many people are participating on that occasion, and they are also trying that kind of food, and that food is panta bhat, and on that, and in that occasion I have seen that panta bhat is nothing but the steamed rice, which is being eaten by so many objects, and that was so much tasty. I didn't have that experience than before, and on top of that, that food was being taken by so many people, and people were enjoying a lot while eating that food, and I was just mesmerized while I was also consuming that food for the very first time. Moreover, on that occasion, I
Okay,
have
okay,
seen.
it is 2 minutes. It is 2 minutes.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Eaten by so many objects. What do you mean by that?
Ma'am, I mean that some type of mashed potato, then raw fish, and then
It's eaten by people, eaten by so many objects. You can say so many other side dishes were there to complement that rice, steamed rice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so many
Okay,
side dishes were there to complement the steamed rice. And then you said, I didn't have that experience before. I had never had the experience before.
I have, yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
had never had that experience before. Anybody else could find any mistake?
There was an occasion.
But yes, tell me. There was an occasion.
उन्होंने शायद there is बोला था, there was an occasion.
there was, yes.
ऐसे भी
You're
बोला
talking
था
about the
कि
past. Yes, Raman?
आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग बोला था, मैम वर नहीं आएगा?
Were participating. Yes, were participating. Yes. Anybody else?
वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम की भी रेपिटेशन थी।
नहीं, very first time की repetition का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. You know, sometimes just to avoid the repetition, you lose out on the fluency. That shouldn't happen. Otherwise, she spoke pretty well. Despite these few mistakes, it was not less than 7.5. Okay, she went on, she covered all the W's, what, where, when, why, and the H, how. Okay, so I think that is pretty good, Anandita.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, next, next, who is there? Don't waste time like that. Who wants to speak? Aditya? Parminder, have you selected your cue card?
Ma'am, me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I am looking for the person you got contact after a long 41, ma'am.
Okay.
Describe an
Ma'am, that
old
is
friend.
mine. I have chosen that.
कोई बात नहीं, दो जने बोल देंगे.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, should I start first?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I have a lot of friends, but few friends are there in my country. Many people, sorry, ma'am. Sorry, once again. Well, I have a lot of friends in my life, but now some of them are living abroad. And here I would like to talk about one such friend whom I recently got contacted again after a very long time. Her name is Harleen. She is living in Canada and she has been living there from last 10 years. Actually, we have done our graduation together, and after that, she got married and moved to Canada. After which, I have never contacted her. And last week, I was just scrolling down from an social application, and while scrolling the Instagram, I could got a notification, and when I looked the profile, I came to know that it was the same friend I was thinking about. And then after I texted her and got her number, this was the experience when I came to know about my older friend, and it was really cherished moment that we could also experience and remind our nostalgic moments that we have spent together in our school and in our college. Now, from that particular moment, we are connected, and I would like to keep her for the rest of my future, and hopefully I would visit her next year.
Very good. You spoke 1 minute 40 seconds. Okay, but which is not bad, pretty good. And in the actual exam, if you have answered all the cues, the examiner is likely to stop before the 2 minutes. So at 1.5 or 1 minute 40 seconds, you're likely to be stopped by the examiner. Okay, got contacted again, galat tha, which whom I contacted again. I got contacted means मेरे को उसने contact करा कहीं से ढूंढ के. I didn't get contacted. I contacted somebody.
Yeah.
You get my point? Okay.
Yes, yes,
Then you said
Anji.
could got a notification, could get a notification, not got.
Okay.
Modal verbs are always followed by the first form of the verb, and there
जी,
are
मैम,
8 modal verbs.
मैम
Yes.
have के साथ अगर सकते हैं तब then you could speak. I could have got.
नहीं, could have got a could have got मिल सकती थी पर
Could
मिली
get.
नहीं, वो तो गलत हो जाएगा ना.
क्यों मैम?
I got a notification, बस इतना ही बोल
Okay,
दो.
okay,
could भी
that's
मत
fine.
लगाओ.
Okay, okay.
Okay, that would be fine. Older friend,
Yes.
बेटे, older friend होती है आपसे उम्र में बड़ी. Old
अच्छा
friend
जी.
होती है पुरानी friend. Okay.
अच्छा जी. Okay.
Older नहीं बोलना. ठीक है?
हाँ, old friend. Okay.
Old friend. ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम. Thank you.
Childhood friend बोल दो. I
हाँ
came
हाँ
as
जी.
my
हाँ
childhood
जी.
friend. Okay.
मैम उस पे
Anybody else?
उसकी थोड़ी बता सकते हैं फ्रेंड के, जैसे क्यूज नहीं मिल रहे थे तो कैन वी डिस्क्राइब आवर फ्रेंड दैट शी इज टॉल, ब्यूटीफुल एंड व्हाटएवर?
बोलना. Then I did video call with her and I found that she had grown even more beautiful. I remember when she was very young, I used to find her very beautiful. She has curly hair and you know,
Yes.
you can say a mole on her chin which looks like a
Okay.
beauty spot. You can say things
Okay.
like that. She has dimples on both cheeks. And
Oh wow.
you can say she has amber eyes, billiyan
Yes.
आँखें. amber, hazel
जी.
बोल सकते हो, hazel eyes.
Okay.
हेजल क्या होता है?
hazel बिल्ली आंखें जो brown, goldenish brown. hazel
she has hazel eyes.
hazel eyes. ठीक है? You can
हाँ
say
जी.
now she looks even more beautiful and she has maintained herself. She told me that she is very regular at the gym. Okay, like
That's
that.
so
You can
Yes.
talk about her.
Right.
You will never run short of ideas if you start describing like that. For every cue card in which there is describe a person, you have to describe the person. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Parminder has spoken. Next, Divya. Who has selected the same cue card?
Remind आएगा तो reminded आएगा.
What?
Reminded me आएगा.
Reminded me. Yes. Okay. Venkataraman, would you like to speak? Zubair?
Can I, ma'am?
Who is that?
Sorry.
Who is that? I couldn't.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, you can speak. Which cue card would you like to speak?
I would like to speak on 38.
Okay.
Describe a line that you remember from a poem or song.
Yes. Start. Okay. Yes.
Okay. I am fond of singing and I sing it from my childhood. I do not know from where I learned singing, but I truly said that I learned it from my father. It was about the time that I was in my 12th standard and there were a function held in my school's playground. It was about annual function. And our class decided to perform on that function. I also joined that function and I was very fascinating about the classical song. So I chose one classical song at that time. And the song was from a movie Shore. And the lyrics of the song is Kuch Paakar Khona Hai and Kuch Paakar कुछ खोकर पाना है. That means that you have something to lose and to gain something to lose. Life means coming and going, so we only live our on a happy moment. I confused that when I choose that song because I love classical, but I choose that kind of song because my father suggested me to perform on this song. When all program had completed, it seems like I gave prize on that my performance, but other student also done well, so I could not receive any gift from the chief guest. But yes, I truly said that I enjoyed very much at that time, and I did not regret that I could not receive any gift from the others. But this was the line that I remember in my life and whole life because it is very near to my heart, and I love this song. So yes, this is a line that I performed.
It's 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, Pari. Pari है आपका नाम? Pari.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You spoke well, but there were quite a few grammatical errors.
Okay.
First, I was fascinating. I was fascinated. Your own feeling is always the ED form of the adjective. Okay? I was fascinated, not fascinating. Fascinating कोई चीज हो सकती है. You will be fascinated, right? And lyrics of the song are something to lose, something to lose. If you
Lose.
want to gain something, you will have to lose something. Like that
Okay.
it is. Okay.
Okay.
I confuse when I choose. I was confused when I chose.
Okay. I confused बोल सकता है?
I was confused when I chose
was
that
confused.
because
Okay.
you said na you are interested in classical. Okay.
Yes.
It seems I would get a prize. I was expecting a prize. Say like that. I was expecting a prize, not a gift, but I
Okay.
could not win any prize. Okay. Gift
Okay.
is different. Prize is different when you are speaking something. Okay.
Okay.
And there were other mistakes also. Can anybody tell? I could note only these few. Anybody else? Did you note any mistake?
There was a function बोलना चाहिए. There were a function बोला है.
There was a function. Very good. Yes. A function है तो was ही आएगा ना? Yes. I would say, Pari, it was between 6 and 6.5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just work hard on it.
Okay,
Okay. Are you in any of my groups?
I think in the demo class.
Demo. Okay.
Yes.
Next, Devangini, are you there? Divya Sharma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Divya, you
Sorry.
speak on your cue card, which you've chosen already.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
41, ma'am.
And next,
This
Devangini, your turn. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Hanji, Divya, bolo.
Yes, ma'am. I'm an introvert person, but I do remember the fresh memories with my old friend that I met in my 4th class. She was Shipra. I was really amazed with her personality because she was having a wittish complexion with a dimple on one side of her cheek. And her smile oftenly made me remember of Madhuri Dixit because her teeth were so beautiful. Besides, she was really intelligent in the studies, specifically Sanskrit and math, and I followed her as a mentor in those subjects. We built a very good bond between us, but unfortunately in 9th class she has to shift to Delhi, and after that slowly we lost the connection between us. After then my marriage, I really missed her a lot. Whenever I used to saw any of the video or anything related to friends, I used to feel nostalgic and down in the dumps. I remember once a while I was at my parents' home and my brother and I decided to go to the Shipra Mall that is placed in Indirapuram. So when I was there was a lot of rush because it was weekend already. And my brother dropped me in the front of the mall and he decided to go to the parking alone. So I was standing there and watching all the cars and the people with my kids. Suddenly there was a hand on my shoulder and I got frightened. When I looked back, she was Shipra. I was really amazed by seeing her because after a very long time, I was seeing her, and she was looking so beautiful than ever. Her hair were long now. She was holding her 3-year-old kid. And then we talked a lot. We ate our favorite Chinese cuisine. That day was really well spent. We have chit chat and
okay,
she just
2 minutes. Very good, Divya. Very good. You spoke very well. You will get full bands for your fluency, but there were a few grammatical errors which I would like to point out. First is oftenly is no word.
Yes, ma'am. बोल दिया फिर मुझे याद आया नहीं बोलना था.
She has to shift to Delhi.
Yes, she had to shift. She had to say. I also.
Used to see. To के बाद हमेशा first form. Okay.
Ma'am, any of the video बोला था, any of the videos होता है ना?
हाँ, any of the videos, yes.
And build भी बोला था, built होना था ना वहाँ पर.
Built होना था, built होना.
और जो teeth वाली line थी उसमें ऐसा बोलना था ना, past में आना था ना, मतलब present में आना था. मीन्स teeth के बारे में वो past में बोल गए थे.
Her teeth were very beautiful. Her teeth are. She has beautiful teeth. पर वो बचपन की बात कर रही थी, तो फिर बचपन की बात थी, तो फिर शायद had वो भी चल जाता है. Okay?
मैम दांत तो वैसे ही रहते हैं.
हाँ, पर फिर वो बचपन की बात ही नहीं, ऐसे नहीं रहते. अगर आप खाओ चॉकलेट रोज खाओगे केरीज हो जाएंगी, और 30 की उम्र पे भी आपके सारे वो RCTs हुई होंगी 6-7 दांतों में।
एक्चुअली मैम मैंने उसको उस टाइम पे जैसे 9th से पहले उसको मैं देखती थी, उसको मैं ऑब्जर्व करती थी, तो वो चीजें मैंने एक्सप्लेन करी, तो शायद इसलिए पास्ट में चला गया सब कुछ।
Used to felt गलत है, used to feel।
Okay मैम।
You said once a while नहीं, once I was, just a
Ma'am,
while नहीं आना।
used to के used to की जगह हम would भी लगा सकते हैं ना, I would feel।
हाँ, I would feel भी लग सकता है, but used to feel ठीक है, पर felt गलत है।
That's for the past habit।
Yes।
or past action।
Yes, very good। Yes। Okay.
Ma'am, my brother told me I can
Divya, you
proceed.
started at band 8, but with all these grammatical errors, it's a very subjective thing. You know, if the examiner gives you a very positive thing for your fluency, the way you spoke, it should go 7, but it can be 6.5 to 7. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So work on these small errors and try to avoid them, right?
Thank you, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Next is Devangini. And next, Prince, you can select your cue card.
Talk about the time when you gave an advice to someone.
Okay, okay. Next, Mandeep also ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Amrit, ma'am.
Amrit also. Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, Preeti also.
Yes. Devangini, chalo.
Giving advice is a human trait, and I really like to give advice to some of my friends, and I think that giving advice will definitely help somebody to choose the right path for them. It is once I have given advice to one of my friends, and she acted upon it, and she got really good result out of that. Her name is Namita. We know each other from almost our school days, and we are very good friend of each other. We were some days ago. She has shared that she was suffering from obesity and PCOD. So I had given her an advice to join a health center which was just open near by my home. So she has decided to go to there for her diet and exercises. Previously, when she was looking for herself, that she was not at all looking very beautiful, and because of that, she lose her confidence often. But nowadays, she is looking beautiful. She looks beautiful, and because of the diet and proper exercise, she has maintained herself in such a way that she can go and face any interviews without a fear of her appearance. I think that she always grateful to me when I had given her advice regarding to choose this nutritional diet. Previously, she was looking like a couch potato, and she was accustomed of eating junk foods often. Because of that, she admitted 2 to 3 times in hospitals, and she has recovered now from PCOD after 2 months of exercising and nutritional diet. So she always she always shows me gratitude whenever we meet.
Just 2 minutes. Devangini, well spoken. One advice is you don't have to go so fast. You can, I mean, if you just went a little slow, you would have had to speak 3-4 sentences less. Once I gave advice, she acted upon it. She acted upon it.
Okay,
go there, go ke baad tu nahi. Okay. She has lost confidence. She had lost confidence.
एक गलती हो रहा है. There's one who
Ma'am, some of the friends बोलना था.
Which was opened, ma'am.
Which had opened nearby, near my home, yeah, nearby, and after nearby, don't say anything. Nearby my home. Nearby finishes the sentence. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, previously I was using the stone throw away word, but I don't know what you have advised me.
No, stone throw away.
It's not at all good. Okay.
A new, you can say a fitness center is open near our home, and they give diet advice also, and it's very very good. Okay. They have professionals working there. Okay. Certified professionals, certified dietitians, certified, instructors, gym instructors.
Okay, ma'am.
She admitted to hospital. She was admitted to hospital many times. Okay, accustomed of नहीं होता, accustomed to होता है. Okay,
accustomed to होता है, मैं तो off ही बोलती हूँ मैम हमेशा.
हाँ, accustomed to.
मैम accustomed to के बाद verb के साथ ing आती है ना? accustomed to drinking, accustomed to eating.
हाँ, ठीक है.
accustomed मैं तो off eating बोलती थी, to eating है. Okay.
Accustomed to doing this. Yes, yes. Okay. मैं भी सीख रही हूँ, मुझे ऐसे पॉइंट्स पता नहीं थे कि इसके बाद ऐसे आता है. ओके, बट मैं जस्ट सीइंग. ओके, हाँ आता है भाई. हाँ इंगा, ठीक है
मैम. एक ना अनन्यूट्रिशनल वाली,
हाँ
एक ना अनन्यूट्रिशनल वाली लाइन थी, वो क्या लाइन बोली थी मैम ने? शी वॉज, आपने क्या बोला था? she was thankful to me for, मुझे वो लगा थोड़ा सा जैसे कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट हो गया.
She always shows gratitude to me whenever we talk about this. ऐसे कुछ.
हाँ,
she always shows a gratitude to me.
वो थोड़ा सा
misconception हो गया. She was accustomed of eating eatery foods, outside eatery foods.
Okay, she is accustomed to junk food बोल दो ना.
Okay.
हाँ, outside food क्यों बोलते हो? ओके, आउटसाइड में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे भी मिलते हैं आजकल.
यस मैम.
ओके, सैलड्स के भी आउटलेट्स खुल गए हैं.
हाँ मैम.
यस, आउटसाइड मत बोलो, जंक फूड बोलो. जंक फूड तो टेस्टी तो होता ही है ना. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे कॉल इट जंक फूड. इट्स सो डिलीशियस.
बहुत स्क्रम्शियस
है ना.
यस मैम.
Okay,
ma'am. Ma'am, it was okay or it was below 7?
No, it was like, see, I'm saying this, you made a few mistakes. Okay, oh, yes. So I would say it depends. Now it's a subjective marking. If they go by the book, if they go by the band descriptors, आपने और दिव्या ने दोनों ने 7 का मेरे हिसाब से बोला है. Okay, despite the mistakes, but it is very subjective. Okay,
ma'am.
So it would go 6.5 to 7. Okay.
Oh my God, again 6.5. Okay, ma'am, I'll work hard.
If the examiners are fair, it is 7. Sometimes, it's very subjective marking. If they catch all these mistakes, it will go, then it is in there, this thing, how much they assess you for that. Otherwise, you spoke very well. If you ask me, if I am the examiner, all the parameters judged, pronunciation very good, okay, task achievement very good, fluency very good, so it should go a 7 definitely, even for your case and for Divya's case also. Okay,
and sometimes I found difficulties in very general topics like describe a toy. Sometimes I feel, what should I say about a toy? So I have made a Cinderella doll's description, but though sometimes I feel that, oh my God, what should I say about
Devangini?
No.
Devangini?
You can say that I play with my doll even today. I love my doll. I never feel alone because my doll is always with me. I talk to her.
Devangini, I'm good in making stories, so you can contact me. We will practice both.
Yes, my doll is my partner. And whenever I'm sad, I talk to her, and I feel that she is smiling at me and telling me not to feel sad.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम, कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टॉय के बारे में बोल सकते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टॉय के बारे में?
Of course you can speak about the electronic toy. Then you can say, once I took it to school, when I came back, I got a big spanking from my mother, and I got a lesson of my life. And then you say, I used to see the my other friends who didn't have such a toy, and I used to love the look of jealousy in their eyes. I used to show it off to everyone. मैंने टॉय के बारे में क्या बोला है? मैंने तो आलतू फालतू बोला है, फिर भी बोल दिया. Okay, you can speak a lot. Even today I have that toy with me. Its color has faded, but it has I have emotional attachment with me, emotional attachment with it, because it was gifted by my grandfather on my 10th birthday. Like that, you can say. Okay.
So I want to speak on that cue card.
Which one?
Talk about a toy you liked in your childhood.
Okay, Prab.
Oh.
You can speak on that. But first, we have a queue here. Who is next?
Hello.
Who is next?
Hello, ma'am. Mandeep.
Mandeep, chalo, start.
Ma'am, 35.
Okay.
I had many toys in my
Mandeep, your
childhood,
voice
but
is
here
coming as if you are quite far from your mic. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Start.
I had I had many toys in my childhood, but here I would like to talk about a toy name is remote car. This car was given by my father on my 6th birthday. That time I felt very because I have had no this type of toy yet. Came from my school that time. My mother was organized a surprise birthday party, and I felt was surprised to see my all friends and relatives. When I saw this car color is black and it was very stylish toy. And after that, when my friend to see this toy, they felt very happy because they didn't have this type of car. I used to spend a lot of time with me, so it was very beautiful toy for me, and I now have with me, and but its color is faded, but it was very lovely toy for me.
Okay, you spoke 1.5 minutes. Okay, Mandeep, there were quite a few mistakes. Anybody there could help me, because sometimes, in between our voice was like dragging because of some network problem, I suppose, and couldn't hear very properly.
Even I could not listen him because of bad connections, because
Yes, there was
it
something
was
wrong with
backing
the
down. Yeah,
connection.
it was backing down. Yes,
But
yes.
I can tell you 2-3 points. You said I had not this kind of toy. Had not, have not is wrong English. You should say I did not have such type of toy.
मैं ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ I did not possess
I
any
did
kind
not
of toy.
possess क्यों बोलना है? Have अच्छा word है.
I did not have ही बोल, simple ही बोलना है.
Possess ना एक fluency break करता है word. A native speaker will not say possess जहाँ have आना है.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So Prince, ये avoid करो words का play. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I didn't possess. Break हो रहा है वो fluency, flow break हो रहा है.
मैम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं I had no toy like that.
I had not, गलती है ना, had not is
Not
wrong
नहीं,
English.
I had no toy.
I had no such toy. I had no such toy बोल सकते हो. I did not have any such toy बोल सकते हो. But I had not is wrong. My mother was organized what? My mother organized. Was organized wrong.
वो पैसिव में चला गया.
हाँ, वो
और गलत हो गया. पैसिव में भी गलत हो गया.
हाँ, मदर ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं हुई, मदर ने ऑर्गेनाइज करा, तो मदर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. कार कलर इज ब्लैक. कार कलर इज ब्लैक. द कलर ऑफ द कार इज ब्लैक. Anybody else can you help me in telling her some of her mistakes?
मैम एक जगह ना will बोल दिया था उन्होंने. When I see the color will in black.
Okay. When I saw the color was black. Okay. Okay.
मैम ऐसा होता है कि जब हम पुरानी बातें करते हैं, जैसे पुराने इयर्स की, तो हमने वॉज लगानी है. अभी रिसेंटली हमने किसी की हेल्प करी हो तो हम हैव हैड लगाते हैं. हमने अपने यंग एज में किसी की हेल्प करी है तो हम डायरेक्ट हेल्प लगा देते हैं.
हेल्प लगाना है ना, क्योंकि आप टाइम स्पेसिफाई कर रहे हो. When you are not specifying the time, फिर have had आएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
See, I had written the letter before you came. आपके आने से पहले मैं लिख चुकी थी. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So I wrote a letter when
you came here.
I wrote a letter last month.
Okay.
थोड़ी आएगा. Last month लगा दिया, टाइम स्पेसिफाई कर दिया, फिर had have नहीं आते.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. So Mandeep का हो गया. Next, who is it?
Amrit.
Prince? Yes. Amrit. Yes. Okay. Which cue card?
36. Describe a country where would you like to work for a short time.
Where you would like to work for a short time. Okay. Begin.
I would like to work in Ireland. Since I'm working in a IT company, and I would prefer to work in a IT company over there. One of my colleagues is already there. He is working for same company, but he is in Ireland. I am working in India. He contacted me last month, and he told me about the opportunities over there. And I spoke to my manager for this, and I hope it will take 6 months for all the formalities to be completed. I would like to work there because I see it's a beautiful country, and it's a small country, and the weather is really good over there. I have been there in 2015. I worked there for 7 months, and my experience was really good. And I worked there for a banking project, and I learned many things from that project. And now also the opportunity is in same project, and I would prefer to go there. I also see other IT companies over there. I know Google and Microsoft have head offices in Ireland, and they provide a lot of opportunities for IT graduates, and it would be a dream come true if I go there and work for any of the company. So I'm hoping I'll get the formalities completed and will get a work permit. So it will be easy for me to go over there. And one of my friend who is there, he's very helpful for all these formalities, and he will arrange accommodation for me.
Very good, Amrit. बहुत अच्छा बोला है. One mistake repeated 3 times. I would like to ask, anybody else has found that mistake? One mistake.
Yes, ma'am. Over there वाली.
नहीं, वो तो कोई ऐसी गलती नहीं.
सही है.
अच्छा, ठीक है. ठीक है. Okay.
एक mistake 3 बार आई है.
मैं तो नहीं. I could not find.
Okay. One of my colleagues, any of the companies, one of my friend, one of my friends. Okay, Amrit? Apart from that, you spoke perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम जैसे अपने कल रीडिंग में बताया था ना, one of वाला.
हाँ, one of the के बाद हमेशा plural आता है. One of my colleagues, one of my friends, one of the companies, any of the companies. इतनी सारी कंपनीज में से कोई भी, वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स में से कोई एक, वन ऑफ माय कलीग्स, इतने सारे कलीग्स में से एक. ओके, बहुत अच्छा बोला है. वेरी नाइस.
मैम जहाँ आगे वो हम कोई सेंटेंस जोड़ेंगे तो हम फिर देन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वन फ्रेंड्स ना.
हाँ, वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स,
वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स हु वाज टेकिंग
हाँ
वो आएगा ना मैम.
हाँ
यस मैम.
बहुत अच्छा बोला है अमृत. गुड. व्हेन इज योर एग्जाम?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't plan yet.
So, you haven't planned yet. Okay.
Yeah, so there is no hurry as such.
Okay.
I'll take time and.
Okay. Amrit, I would suggest work on the intro sets nicely so that these grammatical errors don't come out there. It's very important. If you do that well, minimum 7.5 in speaking you can go for. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Next. Who is next? अमृत, आप कौन से ग्रुप में हो मेरे?
मैम जनरल.
जी ठीक है. ओके.
यस.
नेक्स्ट, हु इज इट? परमिंदर. चलो. हाँ जी. यस परमिंदर.
मैम पहले मैं बोलूं?
हाँ बोलो फटाफट.
ओके ठीक है. मेरा नंबर है 32.
ओके, अब मैं 32 वो बोल रहे हैं, मैं ये शिफ्ट कर रही हूँ पेज आगे. बाकी जिस किसी ने बोलना है इनमें से सिलेक्ट कर लेना. ओके चलो. यस, स्टार्ट परमिंदर.
ओके. Here I would like to talk about a sari which was once belonged to my grandmother.
Parminder, disturbance आ रही, network issue. Can't hear.
Grandmother bought
Parminder,
this
cannot hear
sari
you.
from Pakistan.
Parminder, we cannot
when she
hear.
went there in her younger time.
Parminder,
it was.
You're not audible.
Parminder, we cannot hear you because there is some disturbance, network problem at your end, perhaps. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is dragging because of the network problem or something else. Okay?
कमेंट करती हूँ.
हाँ, वो सुना नहीं हमें कुछ भी जो आपने बोला.
ट्राई करती हूँ मैं.
हाँ,
ठीक है. और मैम दोबारा
आप दोबारा बोलोगे भी अभी इस कनेक्शन से तो फिर वही प्रॉब्लम आएगी ना. सो वी कांट हियर.
मैम साइन आउट करवा दीजिए.
एक्चुअली मैंने मोबाइल कर लिया.
आपकी अभी बात भी नहीं सुन रही है ठीक से.
सुन रही है.
हाँ हाँ.
परमिंदर रीजॉइन देयर.
आप रीजॉइन करो, ठीक हो जाए. हाँ
ठीक है. ठीक.
हाँ. ओके. टिल दैट टाइम परमिंदर के पहले कोई एक जन और. लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम. एनीबडी एल्स? बाद में बोलते बच्चे, मुझे भी बोलना था, मुझे भी जब क्लास खत्म होनी थी. अभी कोई नहीं आ रहा आगे.
मैं बोलूं?
हाँ, कुलराज बोलो. चलो
मैम मैंने 40th प्रिपेयर किया है.
ठीक है करो 40th. लेट मी शो इट टू द अदर्स. हाँ चलो. यस
करूं शुरू?
हाँ जी.
I think very few people today are frank and open. Even I am also an introvert person. I cannot express my feelings openly. But I think my friend Gagan is a very frank and open person. She is very straightforward. I have experienced her straightforward nature many times. For example, I bought a dress recently, and when I asked for her opinion, she straight away told me that this color won't suit me. Due to her straightforward nature, people misunderstand her sometimes, but the person who really knows her know that this is in her nature, and she's like that with everybody. Even whenever I have to ask for any opinion, I go to her because I know she won't give me any wrong advice. Even our other classmates go to her for advices because they know that she will speak her mind. She won't sugarcoat her words to suit their opinion. I think it requires a lot of courage for a person to be open and direct. Sometimes I end up lying in front of people because I care about their feelings, but she's not like that. She always speaks her mind, and she encourages me to speak my mind always. I really wish I could be more open and frank, just like her.
Okay, you spoke 1 minute and 40 seconds, but Kulraj, whatever you spoke was excellent. Am I right?
मैम आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस है. हाँ मुझे डर आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस हूँ, मुझे डर लग रहा था आज बोलते हुए.
बहुत अच्छा बोला है. एंड आई मस्ट टेल ऑल ऑफ यू, बाकी प्लीज जल्दी कर दो ना पे. I must tell all of you that Kulraj is my ex-student. He studied from me. How many years ago, Kulraj?
मैम almost 2018 में दिया था मैंने.
2018. So 3 years ago, she was my student. And she scored 7.5 overall even then, right, Kulraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So many of the students were asking me they want a partner for speaking. Kulraj, would you be ready to help other students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, अब मुझे लगता है गैप की वजह से ना मतलब इतना अच्छा नहीं हो पा रहा जितना 3 साल पहले.
But see, you have a solid base of English, so you can help other students. If they want to join definitely. You for practice. You can do practice with them, and your practice will also be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So any of the girls?
Mehak, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you can contact her right now. She's there. You can message her personally. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
For your number. Okay. So next, who is speaking?
Dipali.
Me.
Okay, let Parminder try first, and if again there's a problem, we'll switch to the other student. Parminder.
Okay, ma'am. Can you hear now?
Yes, now.
Okay. My number 32. That singing friend has been kept in your family from.
Parminder, nahi aa rahi, please, आवाज. Oh, it's okay. Sorry for that, but you know there'll be no fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so who is going to speak next?
Dipali. Ma'am, Dipali.
Yes, Dipali. Dipali.
Ma'am, Amandeep.
Okay, next. अभी दीपाली बोल रही है. दीपाली कौन सा?
Good decision. 50 number.
50. Okay. Chalo. Start.
I would like to discuss one good decision that I have made recently. Actually, I have two daughters. One is Shana and Samara. They both are in school. One is in nursery and one is in KG1. So till that time they were going, from last year, they are sitting at home because their school is not started yet due to this pandemic. So I took a decision that I hire one nanny for them. And I hired that nanny from out of Nagpur. And she joined my house 2 months back. And she's coming to taking care of my daughters. And because we both are working, me and my husband, so we are not getting enough time to take care and look after in the afternoon time. And we are a little busy with our work. So we both are unavailable most of the time. So she comes in the morning, like 8 in the morning, and she takes care till 6 in the evening. She taking care of them like all the day. She takes care of them like whatever they needed. She feeds them. She bath them, and what are the daily routines for my children. Even she teach them, and she's taking care nicely, like my mom. And it is a decision which I discussed. That decision, before taking that decision, I discussed with my husband, and my husband and I decided to hire her, and we are paying her monthly. And we are both happy with that decision because due to that decision, our life got changed. We are getting more time for our work. We are not worried about our daughters because she's staying for the whole day. And other than that, my daughter doesn't have to go anywhere because they're staying for the whole day at the home, and they're more safe. Even they are safe, and because they're not having a school, so they're not going out and they're not engaged themselves in other activities. So she's taking all the time.
Okay, Dipali, that's very good. You've spoken very well. And me and my husband, बाद में आपने my husband and I करा, पर शुरू में एक जगह आपकी वो गलती आई. She bath them, नहीं, she bathes them. Okay?
Bathe them.
She teach them, नहीं, she teaches them also. Okay? Taught नहीं आएगा, she teaches them. पढ़ाती है. Okay? And you can say that the decision was hiring a nanny who is a postgraduate. Okay? She is taking away half my salary. Okay? Skip that. She's taking away half my salary, but it's worth it because my daughters are in very good hands. She makes them do their homework also very nicely. Okay? So it was a decision which was opposed by by the senior members of my family, but my husband and I went ahead with this decision because we can get nannies for half that half that salary. Okay, but I hired her because of her qualification. I wanted my daughters to be looked after by a person who could also help them in studies. Okay, so like that. अब मेरी cousin है, उनकी बेटी है US में. She is a dentist. Okay, and she is hired a nanny who is a PhD.
Oh my God!
It's a fact. She says that I'm not going to hand over my daughter to a nanny less than that because I want her to be, in good hands for all the things. And she
might be paying a lot.
Yes.
She's paying quite good salary to her.
Yes. So that is a decision ना जो आपका decision कई लोग oppose करेंगे, but it's good. Okay.
Actually, मतलब उनका पूरा care करेगी वो, right from studies to other things as well.
Yes. Like a governess.
कितना बैंक का खुला मैंने? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Very correct, ma'am. But decision is good, but
grammatical errors which I've told you. She bathes them, she teaches them. My husband and I, वो एक जगह you spoke correctly, but एक जगह आपका गलत भी आया है. Okay.
I remember. हाँ, ma'am.
It should go 6.5 to 7, Dipali. As of now, but I think you will do well by the time you prepare all of it. 7.5 to 8.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Naman Sharma, ma'am.
Naman. Next, Preeti. Okay, 2 in the queue already. Yes, Naman. Which one are you going to speak on? 32. 32.
Yes, ma'am. Describe something important that has been kept in your family for a long time.
Okay, start.
Okay. Today I would like to talk about a important thing that I have kept in my family. For a
नहीं होता, kept होता है, kept. Okay, चलो
sorry ma'am.
दोबारा बोल दो. हाँ.
Okay. Describe. Today I would like to talk about important thing that has been kept in my family for a long time. There are many old things in my family belonging to my parent and my forefathers. There are some old things in furniture, circular dining table with chairs, and one dressing table, and a queen size bed. Today I would like to talk about a queen size bed because this is around 180 years ago. My forefather purchased in an auction belonging to the king auction in a king palace. They sell out so many things to related king or kingdom. My grandfather purchased this thing, and they give to my grandparent, and then after my grandparent gave my parent, and my parent gave me to handle this thing. And I handle with the care of this belonging, because this bed was very precious and ancient, because this bed was looking very good, because this bed was made by oak wood, and beautiful beautiful handcrafting work, and there are so many glasses and belongings to attach with that bed.
Okay, it's 2 minutes, Naman.
मैम बहुत गलतियां करी मैंने.
हाँ, आपको पता चल गई?
Yes मैम. मैम थोड़ा नर्वस हो गया था इसलिए.
पहले हाँ, वो मुझे दिख रहा था. There's no need to get nervous, Naman. You can speak pretty well. There's no need to get nervous. Okay, we all make mistakes. Right? It doesn't matter. Everybody makes mistakes. You know, the only person who never makes a mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Is a dead body.
Okay.
We are all live here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we all make
mistakes. Yes, ma'am. I know.
Yes. So it doesn't matter at all. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And you should not get nervous over there in the examination hall.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And forefather बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. My great grandfather bought it from an auction, from a king palace.
मैम मैं पहले मैं भी वही बोलने वाला था, बट मुझे लगा ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर मतलब ये बोलना बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा, इसलिए फोरफादर ठीक रहेगा.
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर बोल दो ना.
मेरी 4th जनरेशन हूं मैं उनका.
हाँ, तो ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर bought it.
ओके.
ओके. ग्रेट ग्रेट. अब you know what, relations ऐसे ही होते हैं. अब मेरे पापा की मासी अब हमारे घर आई, और मेरे पापा की मासी, ठीक है, अब वो हमारे घर आई, मेरा बेटा उनको क्या बुलाए? नाना जी की मासी जी. वो बार बार नाना जी की मासी जी. मेरी बात सुनो.
यस मैम, बहुत बड़ा रिलेशन हो गया है तो.
हाँ, तो अब वो ऐसे होता है. अब आपने ना माय great great grandfather. Okay, great grandfather bought it and then passed it on to my grandfather from and now you know this bed is the center of attraction of our home. Whoever comes to our house appreciates this bed. Because of this bed, we have decorated the whole house in a traditional style.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम इस बेड को हम लोगों ने एक जिस रूम में रखा है ना,
हाँ,
उस रूम को हमने पूरा एक मतलब एंशिएंट लुक दिया है.
Yes, so you can say because of this bed. आपने बोला 180 years ago नहीं, वो अच्छा नहीं लगता. 180 years back, you know.
180 years back, okay.
हाँ. And auction in a king's palace. My great grandfather bought it. Made by oak wood नहीं होता, made of oak wood है.
Okay ma'am, off आएगा.
Made of. Okay. बाकी बहुत अच्छा बोला है. ज़्यादा. It was very nice. You can say. Okay.
Ma'am, around 6 or 7.
No,
yeah, ma'am, less than.
It's not 6. It's not 7. It's somewhere in between. It's around 6.5. You spoke very well. You went on for full 2 minutes.
मैम नर्वसनेस हम निकाल देंगे और गलतियां खत्म कर देंगे तो मैम अराउंड 7 हो जाएगा.
आराम से 7.5.
Okay,
believe me, you'll come out with a 7.5. Okay, relax bolna. The examiner is just your friend sitting in front of you.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
just speak normally, naturally. Don't use any words. Okay, just normally and naturally. Just speak that whoever comes to our house likes this bed a lot. It is a center of attraction. First we had put it in a bedroom, but now we've brought it in the living room, and the whole decoration of the living room has been done in the ancient traditional style because of this bed. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
This is where my mother spends on this bed the whole day. She sits on the bed and enjoys it. It has a lot of carving. It's very nice. You can go on to speak so many things. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is after Naman.
Ma'am, can I try now?
Preeti.
Ma'am,
Amandeep.
Yes, Preeti.
Yes. Ma'am, 35 number cue card. Talk about a toy you liked in your childhood.
Okay, Preeti will speak on the toy. Yes. Start.
Okay. As a child, I used to receive many toys on certain special occasions. I would share my toys with my friends and we would play together with them. I had a huge collection of toys, but the one that was my favorite was undoubtedly a Barbie doll. A Barbie doll with a complete kitchen and a makeup set. And she had long hair, blue eyes, and adorable smile. Overall, she looked admirable, just a kind of princess. And I fantasized to be one day when I grow up. I named her Cinderella. Probably she was my favorite cartoon character as far as I can remember. It was given by my beloved grandparents. I can't remember precisely when it was. I guess they gave me on my 9th birthday. Actually, my grandfather know everything about me, and so they also know that I was a great fond in dolls. So they decided to give me a complete set of Barbie doll. I still remember that day. I was really over the moon and forgot about cutting the cake and started playing with my Cinderella. I can easily recall I used to rush into my room after completing my homework to play with Cinderella. She was my favorite cartoon character, and she was also my favorite doll I've ever received. I would tell her everything that happened during the day and even shared my feeling with her. Whenever I was feeling down in the dumps because of something, I used to tell her and she used to listen me very carefully. At least I thought so something. And I made new dresses from my old clothes and also prepared meal for her. I was really delighted to have such a wonderful and beautiful doll with me.
Very nice. You spoke 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay, which is very good. And there were quite a few mistakes. Gave me on
Gave me on 19th birthday, ma'am. Gave me on
no bola ja knew ana tha. My grandfather knew everything about me, not no. Okay.
Okay, no, I'm talking
तो नोज आएगा फिर भी मैम
फिर नोज आएगा ना
नोज आएगा फिर
knows everything about me.
मैम उस लाइन में मिस्टेक थी, जैसे बोला था मेरे 19th बर्थडे पे मुझे दिया था, गेव मी आना था, गेव मी बोला था इन्होंने।
हाँ, गेव आना था, हाँ ठीक है। ये देखो नोरा आ गई है,
क्यूट है मैम बहुत।
हाँ ये तो बड़ी क्यूट है। ओके, अब ये वो नॉटी इसको तंग करता है ना, तो फिर इसको भी टेबल पे बिठा दे।
शरीफ कौन सी है मैम, ये कि दूसरी वाली?
शक्ल दिखा, वो तो बहुत कमीना है
शरीफ।
ये क्यूट है, ये तो बहुत क्यूट है, ये तो मेरी डार्लिंग है। चलो ओके, नेक्स्ट किसने बोलना है?
सो मैम कितने बैंड स्कोर के बीच में?
प्रीति। ओके, बैंड स्कोर। प्रीति, बहुत ज्यादा ये जो ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स आपकी आई हैं, ऑन द होल आपने अच्छा बोला। आई वुड से 6.5। ओके, मिडवे है 6 और 7 के।
ओके,
ठीक है, बट यू कैन वर्क हार्ड टू गो 7+ ऑल्सो। ये बस आप थोड़ा ठरम्मे से बोलो, थोड़ा ज्यादा वो अब अच्छा बोला ऑन द होल, यू स्पोक वेल, बट ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स आ गई टेंस की एरर्स थोड़ी ज्यादा काउंट हो जाती, ठीक है, उसका ध्यान रखना है आपको।
ओके मैम।
चलो नेक्स्ट।
हम एक बार मैं ट्राई करूं दोबारा प्लीज।
ओके परमिंदर, ट्राई कर लो।
ओके, अभी मैं थोड़ा सा बोलती हूँ, आप देखना आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही। मैम मेरा पॉइंट नंबर है 32। डिस्क्राइब समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट दैट हैज बीन केप्ट इन योर फैमिली।
ओके,
आवाज आ रही है मैम?
हाँ जी आ रही।
ठीक है, ओके, फटाफट बोलते इससे पहले कि गायब हो जाए। ओके, हियर आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट about an article about a dress which has been an old in my family. It is a Hyderabadi sari which belongs to my grandmother. She bought this sari when she went to Pakistan in her in her young time. It is of blue and black color, and the fabric is very good and is of superior quality. She gave this sari to my mother when she got married. Even though my mother had wear it on many occasions, but still it looked like new. I was very much interested
Parminder, अब खराब हो गया.
Get this sari when I got married, but my mother refused to give me because it was one of her favorite sari as well. Okay. Oh.
One of her favorite saris होता है. One of her आ गया ना? Favorite sari नहीं. One of her favorite saris. Okay?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
और आपने और गलतियां क्या बताई हैं?
one of my favorite sarees हो सकता है ना?
One of my favorite sarees नहीं, उसकी थी. Mother refused to give it to me because it is one of her favorite sarees as well.
हर हो जाएगा, हर हो जाएगा.
Okay. And then बाकी on the whole Parminder जितना आपने बोला है वो definitely बहुत अच्छा बोला है. 7 पे बोला आपने जितना भी आपने बोला है.
Okay.
ठीक है. I'm sure you'll do well.
Okay.
Exam तो cancel हो गया ना? Postpone हो गया? Parminder?
एग्जाम कैंसिल हो गया पर मैंने 8th का बुक करा दिया है.
8th में ठीक है. 8th में तक नए क्यू कार्ड्स आएंगे, थोड़े बहुत हमें पता चल जाएंगे, वो हम आपको करा देंगे. ओके
मैम एक नई अभी आजकल आ रही है, अ स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट यू हैव अटेंडेड.
हाँ चलो स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट वाला भी कोई बोल देगा. अभी कोई किसी को बोलते हैं. चलो स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट यू हैव अटेंडेड. अभी नेक्स्ट किसकी टर्न है? हु इज इन द क्यू?
मैम अमन.
QUEUE. यस अमन बोलो.
मैम क्यू कार्ड नंबर 12. डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम यू हैड टू वेट इन अ लॉन्ग लाइन.
ओके लॉन्ग क्यू. ठीक है अभी क्यू बोल रहे हैं तो क्यू वाला ही आपने चुना है. ओके लॉन्ग क्यू. चलो बोलो.
Okay. There are many times when I've waited in long queues. Actually, it is quite normal here in India due to its enormous population. So just last weekend, our family craved fast food since for the past 2 weeks. Actually, we had been strictly eating the food at home. So family unanimously decided to have a cheat day on Sunday. So we reached a decision to eat out at a Domino's. So because it was Sunday, we already thought that it's not ideal to dine in. So it would be crowded and as now the situation of pandemic. So we agreed to order at a drive-through of Domino's. So when we reached there, I was surprised by a long line of cars at there. It was incredibly longer than I thought. My dad and I were having a second thought that whether to fall in line or not. But we hadn't said anything because of my mother. So it was her personal choice at that time. So I was kind bored. Hello? Am I audible?
Please carry on.
Okay. I was kind of boring at that time while waiting. So I decided to call one of my friends. So, and I talked to her for 15 or 20 minutes. Then I ended up the call. Then I again started looking at the lines. There were again, it was still 13 cars. So I was thinking that it would take so much time until we were served. So my mom was also getting upset for her decision. So I tried to distract. I tried to distract her.
Okay, Aman, it's 2 minutes. It was not ideal to go there. Ideal.
Okay, ma'am.
Ideally. Thoda pronunciation.
Ideal.
At their we decided to go at their ring. We decided to go there. I was boring नहीं होता, I was bored होता है. Okay?
मैम एक और थी, craved के साथ for आना था ना, like craved for this kind of thing.
Yes, yes. Prince, you have very sound grammar. Very good. You have sound grammar. Yes.
Ma'am, it is just because of you.
No, I have hardly taught you much. You've just recently joined, right?
No, I have been following you for many years. I mean, not many years, for almost a year.
Okay. Many months, you can say. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I was boring nahi. Acha, or many. What are the mistakes?
Ma'am, I was getting bored. नहीं हो सकता.
I was getting bored. I was getting bored, but I was boring. इसने बोला ना. I was getting bored. I was bored.
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ भी.
I felt bored.
I was feeling bored.
I felt bored.
I felt bored. So I called my friend. Okay, and we had a nice long chat. Okay, and the time passed very quickly. Okay, like that you can say. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I get a chance to speak?
Jagdeep. Yes, Jagdeep. Jagdeep, which cue card are you going to speak on?
34th, about the ambition. 34th.
Okay. Goal you want to achieve in the future. Okay, Jagdeep.
Yes.
Start.
So while most of us set goals for ourselves, sometimes these goals are short-term as well as long-term goal. So let's talk about my goal that I had when I landed in Canada in 2017. It was my first day when I was on a general labor job. I was unloading a trailer. So like when I started comparing myself, like I was a very good student. I was very good at study. And then I realized that this is what I'm doing right now. So the day I made a promise to myself that one day I will become a police officer in Canada. So first of all, my main target was to complete my post-graduation studies in Canada. So I completed my studies, I got work permit, and I started working as a truck driver in Canada. And now I'm going to file permanent residency so that I can complete the checklist for the requirements of police officer. So the permanent residency is the last requirement that I will be completing this year. So that I can become a police officer in Canada. So I hope and the day is not very far, and I'm very confident about it. And the day is not very far that I will be a police officer in GTA. And I want to achieve this goal because I want to make my parents very proud of me, and I want to set an example for the newcomers, those who come to Canada and they're working as general labor. So I want to give them a hope that if you come here, if you work hard, you can achieve your goals, you can become what you want in your life, and you will be highly successful. Thank you.
You spoke 1 minute 45 seconds, Jagdeep. Definitely a 7 plus speaking you got. Very nice. And original, Jagdeep, as your exam is very near, I know, right? So what you have to do is go through all this list. I've shared this file with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Go through all the list and, make a story, plan a story beforehand, like you've done just now, for each and every cue card. You may get any of them. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have time, just make a story on all these and plan, what you will speak. If you get this, what you are going to speak. If you get a toy, what you will speak. If you get this, then what you will speak. So plan a story for all the cue cards on your own. That will be enough for you. Okay. You're well prepared. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Yes.
I have my exam tomorrow. All right.
I know tomorrow. Yes. Go through this list. Okay.
All right, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. But you don't need so many bands, right? The Canada government has been very generous.
Yeah, I just need 5 bands, 4.5 in reading, and rest 5 bands.
Yes. And so you really want to be a police officer?
Yes, ma'am. I'm working on it. I have done diploma in police foundation.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so what made you choose this line? Anybody of your family in the police force in India?
No, ma'am. Actually, I was studying in army school in Bias. So, my aim was to become an army officer in India. But because of some medical conditions, I got rejected twice. I appeared for NDA exam. I passed the exam. I got selected in interview. But when the time came for medical, so I got failed in it. So after that, I started preparing for merchant navy, but after that I thought like I want to go abroad. But here I have improved my medical condition because I'm having knock knees problem. So now it's good. So now
which problem?
Knock knees.
Knock knee. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I got rejected in medical.
तो यहाँ पुलिस में हो जाएगा select knock knee से?
No, ma'am, I have recovered it. Okay. Like that time, I was not aware about it because I was from a civilian family. So
okay.
I don't have any idea about it.
Yes, it's very, very achievable, like getting rid of the knock knee problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Who would like to speak? Nobody? Then we'll wind up the class.
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Who is I? Raman. Yes, Raman. Of course.
Yes, ma'am. Describe an energetic person that you know.
Okay, energetic person. Okay.
Well, I love to talk with. Mama speaking, Kari. Well, I love to talk with new people because it helps me to know about now what the ins and outs of the society. I know many people in my area who are very intelligent and polite, but here I would like to talk about an intelligent person whom I know, and the name of the person is Jugraj Singh. He lives near my house. If I talk about his personality, I must say he is outgoing and gets on well with people. His thoughts are rational and pragmatic as well. There are many reasons why I think he is very energetic. Well, firstly, when I met him, he was studying in the 10th standard and he used to participate in yoga. Basically, yoga is a set of physical and mental exercises. So the flexibility and the strength of a body can be increased by performing yoga. So he participated in many physical activities as well as in sports, and he received many gold medals when I was studying in the school. So in this way, he has very great strength and physical stamina, so by which he can finish all the difficult tasks which require great strength. Also, it is proved by many studies that the serious health diseases such as fever, asthma, headache can be removed by performing yoga. I also feel that I also know that he also follow balanced diet, and I think the combination of yoga and balanced diet is the best way to enjoy the quality of life. So that's why I think he is very energetic person. He daily go to the gym and where he spends lot of time. He also plays football with his friends daily. So in this way, he manages in his work and balanced work life.
Raman, you have spoken 2 minutes. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटे. He also follows. He works. He sheet के साथ third person singular के साथ s वाला verb. Okay. That mistake I noted at a couple of places. Anybody else who noted any mistake?
No, ma'am. She spoke very well.
Very well. Very nice, Raman. Definitely a 7. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Raman, tell me one thing. You've been my offline student as well as online student, right?
Ma'am, today I'm online student.
Yes, today you are online, but you also have been offline student. Which classes do you think are better?
Ma'am, both.
Both Hari. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. सर बहुत अच्छा कराते हैं मैम. Like जब सर कराते हैं ना क्लास में हमें पता ही नहीं लगता कि 5 कब बज के. हमें घर आने का होता ही नहीं है कि हम जल्दी से चले जाएं.
अच्छा, okay. I would like to ask all of you. You read my granddaughter's.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know what?
Yes, ma'am.
The next day she got to write on her favorite teacher. You know, and there they have 2 teachers per class. Okay, so now you know what she thought. She thought that if I talk about one, the other will feel bad. So you know she started with the line that when you think of a favorite teacher, everybody talks about a teacher at school. But here I would like to talk about a teacher who is not from my school. Okay, and then she talked about her piano teacher, and she said that I've been learning piano since I was 4. And you know, then she comes home and tells her mother, my daughter Deepa, she says, that, you know why I wrote that line, that everybody talks about a teacher from the school, but here I would like to talk about a teacher who is not from my school. And you know, she gives the reason that I wrote this line to hook them in, you know, hooking line, to hook my readers in. And at 10 she can think of this much, you know. I was just wondering.
Oh, great.
मैम पॉलिटिशियन बन जाएगी आगे जाके, वो 100%.
नहीं वो तो she'll be a writer. She'll write.
She's a true intellectual.
Yes, very thoughtful. Intellectual is different. Thoughtful is the word, you know.
She know how to cover the all things.
Yes. I mean,
मैम इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस.
डेफिनेटली मैम, जैसे राइटर होता है ना, कुछ ही वर्ड्स में अपना सारा बता देता है, और कहाँ पे अट्रैक्शन कहाँ देना है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस की हुई है.
और जो मेरा ग्रैंडसन है उसकी बात बता रही हूँ. She is going for a walk with his mother, my daughter, and he says, okay mummy, you can buy me something. She says, everything needs money and I don't have too much money to buy you things every day. So he says, now you are earning a lot. He says, you are very rich. So my daughter says that it is not just money which makes a person rich. I am very rich because I have 2 children who are very nice like you and Jia. So, you know, he pauses he's just 6. He pauses for 5 seconds and then he says, Acha, rich because of me, he thinks. And then he says to his mother, promise me you will never sell me.
Wow. कितना क्यूट लगता है.
उसका it was such a joke. Promise me you'll never sell me because of me. That means I'm very costly.
कितने philosophical children I don't know.
So बड़ा मजा आया. And you know, some person वो अपने dog को घुमा रहा है, उसके पास जाता है. Can I ask you one question? वो कहता है okay. तो how do you come to know your dog is sad? How do you come to know your dog is happy? तो एक question जो है ना, वो आधा घंटा वो बार बार कह रहा है, I want to go, I have to go, I have some important work, just one more question, just one more question. आधा घंटा उसको हिलने नहीं दिया बंदे को. क्वेश्चन पूछ के डॉग को घुमा रहा था डॉग पे. चलो, we'll end this class here and we'll get back in 10 minutes for the graph class. And there is no class on for the GT students now after this. Okay, so the GT students can exit. Okay. And I'll rejoin. I'll start the meeting again in 10 minutes. It's 11:30, 11:40, right? Okay. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.